Daily advice from the heart. Meditation on loneliness and isolation. I learned from a recent poll that a majority of Americans admit that they suffer from loneliness and isolation. 1/4 of adults admitted that they have felt deeply lonely during the previous fortnight, and this phenomenon appears to be very widespread. There are thousands of people on city streets, and yet none of them looks at each other. If their eyes cross, they do not smile unless they are meeting formally. People sit next to each other in trains for hours on end, but do not talk to each other. Isn't this strange? Words to meditate on, huh? Create our own suffering.